So, ang message ko naman sa mga bully, nang una, tigilan nyo yan. Kasi, especially at this generation na may social media, kasi it could be any type of bullying. Pwedeng physical, emotional, or usong-uso ngayon yung cyberbullying. So, we all know it's not good. Make sure to reflect. Mag-reflect kayo mga bully. Mag-reflect kayo na yung ginagawa ka ba is worth the pleasure na natutuwa ba kayo na naapektuhan nyo yung tao na negative way, emotions nila, buhay nila. It's really not worth it. It's really not worth it. So, kung bully kayo, focus din kayo sa dreams nyo. Be bigger than what you guys think is right. I mean, get out of your comfort zone. If comfort zone nyo yung mambully, get out of it. Break nyo yung cycle. Kasi para everybody's happy, everybody's growing. So, and out of trouble kayo. So, yun lang mga kamaka. Sana yung mga nabubulyan, mga bully, mapanood nyo to. And may mapulot kayo na aral. Kasi, yun, unang-una, I just graduated. I've met a lot of different kinds of people. Mga bully, mga nabubully. So, I think what I'm saying is valuable din kahit paano. So, yun lang po. Goodbye mga kamaka.